Hey, Kathleen here. So I am going to review this Mayflower silver polish cloth and these silver wipes. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to show you what I've been working on. This is my husband's grandfather's cocktail shaker. And I've been working on it, so I was able to get some of it cleaned up. It's got some dings in it so that where there's scratches, they actually won't come off. But we still have a lot to work on here and this upper part as well. So I wanted to see how these two products worked. Now this one is a cloth with the white part has the non-toxic cleaning agents that are impregnated into the cloth. So you never wash this because then you're going to wash away what the cleaning agents are. You wipe with this and then you polish with the gray. And with this one, you've got some moist towelettes kind of thing, or wipes. So let's see how they work. Now this is a little bit old, so it's a little bit dry, but it still works. So let's just see how each of these stacks up. They both take some elbow grease. So you're not seeing just it cleanly wiped. Now maybe because this is so old, I'm not sure. But if we take this section here and we just start rubbing, you see that it polished up there, right? So if we take one of these silver wipes, these are Weiman's silver wipes, jewelry cleaners. So let's pull from the inside, the center, and we will work on this section.